What is going on, guys, and welcome back to a new video. And today we are back at the grey Fiat Coupe because it has a problem. It failed its MOT due to a faulty catalytic converter, and I tried to fix it myself using some clamps, but it still failed the MOT. So that leaves us with one thing, and that's actually learning a new skill, TIG welding. And I'm going to take you along as I TIG weld for the first time in my life. Well, the problem with the current exhaust is the catalytic converter is not doing its job. And overall it looks a bit nasty. And today we're going to fix that, or at least try, because I've never TIG welded in my life, so this is going to be the first time doing an exhaust. Before we can start with the exhaust, we first have to fix the manifold and make some new studs to actually mount the exhaust to it. And well, the parts that I'm using: fresh stainless steel, a sport catalytic converter, some other small parts, and a very nice V-band clamp to attach it and make the removal in the later stadium much more easy. I'm drilling out the holes to make them bigger for the new studs. After the new studs have been cut to size, I welded them to the manifold. Well, next step is going to be to reinstall this downpipe. I cut it off here, and then I can roughly lay out the new pipe to it, make a marker, and then we can spot weld it. Here you can see me struggling to get comfortable. Well, after a lot of measuring, cutting and fumbling around, I ended up with this tacked piece of metal. Everything is tacked down, as you can see, or not. Focus, yes. All that's left to do is weld it together. Well, before we start to weld, I actually needed to buy a whole lot of stuff. The welder itself, of course, a big tank of argon gas, 100% for TIG welding, a welding mask, some gloves, some cups, tungstens, you name it, everything. It's a big investment because there's still a lot of stuff that I need, but these are the basics to start. Now this is not going to be a video where I explain you how to weld. There are a lot of videos out there that explain it way better, like Weld Coach Online and just general YouTube videos out there. So before you start welding, just check out some YouTube videos. I think I watched over 100 of them before I started welding. When you buy a TIG welder, there's one thing they supply you with, and that's some basic cups. These ones. And I tried them, and for aluminium they are great, but for your stainless steel they are terrible. And one investment I made, which changed everything, and I only weld for 2 weeks, so it really changed it, is this cup right here. It's from Perfect Welding. It's a 16 gas lens cup, and boy does this thing work. Here you can see the kit. It's supplied with a lot of cups and a lot of different sizes, but for me this one is the best. It just delivers. It straight up delivers. If you want this kit yourself, go check out perfectwelding.nl, use my code JTSCustoms and get a 10% discount. Hello there. This technique is called shaking, not recommended. These 4 tags will prevent the metal from warping. The exhaust is finally finished, and man, this looks stunning. For someone who welds 2 or 3 weeks, I think it looks pretty good. Let me know in the comments down below what you think about these welds. Maybe you're an expert and you can tell me what to do better in the next time, because I want to learn and improve myself. But for now, I'm just going to admire the results. Damn. I'm going to reinstall the exhaust under the car, install a new O2 sensor, And yeah, I'm going to show you an exhaust clip of when it's installed. But for now, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next episode where we might install some new exhaust parts on other cars. Make sure to subscribe and check out my Instagram for some behind the scenes.